Hey everyone, Tanner Bell here. Welcome back to the Maker's Gonna Learn YouTube channel. In today's craft video, we're gonna be putting together a farmhouse-inspired craft room. If you guys have been following along, we just recently moved out of our home basement with the entire team working down here, and we actually are so blessed to be in a very amazing home as a full-time craft studio for the team. But that left me with zero craft space here at the house. And as you guys know, that is not going to work for me. So what we decided to do was come together and kind of create a farmhouse vibe craft room in a very small nook here in the basement. We'll be using the rest of it as entertaining space, but we knew we needed a really amazing craft room that we were able to go to when we're inspired late at night, early mornings. Who knows when we need to be able to craft, am I right? So in today's video, we're going to share with you exactly how we put this together within only a few days, and I'm going to share with you guys all the numbers, everything that we did for this craft space, and it'll hopefully help inspire you guys on what you can do in your own spaces. Whether you have an extra bedroom, one of your kids headed off to college, and you're trying to get some inspiration, I think this video is going to be a lot of fun, so let's go ahead and jump into it. The best thing about setting up this specific farmhouse craft room is that it does not take as much as you would think. When getting started to set up your craft room, do a quick assessment and see what you're working with already in the space. For us, we had to work around a utility sink. So we headed to the home improvement store. We picked out 3 cabinets to fit our space, the countertop, which we're using a butcher block, and then to wrap it out, you want to go over and pick out some coordinating hardware to fit your vibe. We love the simplistic hardware we are able to go with that is definitely going to fit our home. After you've installed your countertops and cabinets, what we were able to do was take 1x3s and create shelving brackets, and then we're able to add our stained pieces of shelving right to the top of that, screw it in place, and we now have some amazing shelving units that were really affordable, and now we can not only use this for storage, but you can also decorate it as well. As you guys know, a basic utility sink is not that eye-catching. So what we were able to do was take 1x4s, attach them to the utility sink, paint it black, and then to finish it off, we actually just painted the utility sink legs black as well. Did you all notice we were able to use the frame masterclass that hundreds of our Maker's Gonna Learn members have been through and been able to take that program to build an awesome set of frames? I love that we have 3 that go together in the craft space so well. We were able to build these really quickly following the class instructions, and then we were able to take some amazing craft room sayings from Maker's Gonna Learn membership to be able to decorate it for the space. If you guys did not know, Maker's Gonna Learn has over 3,000 digital cut files that you get access to as soon as you become a member. We were even able to create another frame using our fonts. There's hundreds of fonts to choose from for the best value yearly members as well to create whatever design and style you need for your craft space. Definitely check it out at the link down below. After it was all set up, does it not look amazing? We absolutely love this craft space, but we want to quickly go over the price breakdown for you guys so that you can see realistically what this would cost, and maybe you can cut things out, you can switch things out and make it affordable for your budget. So first things first, we have the countertops. The countertops were $269 for the piece of butcher block. The cabinets were totally a splurge. We spent $628 for the cabinets, but in my opinion, they are totally worth it due to the fact that they look completely custom. As you guys start looking at cabinets, you'll notice that the ones that you have drawers are definitely going to be more expensive. But one thing we actually recommend is maybe splurging on that due to the fact that organizing drawers is so much easier than organizing the ones that have the doors that you have to open up and put even more additional shelves in, and they're just a little bit less practical. Our craft table was another splurge due to the fact that it has the faux marble countertop that we absolutely loved for the space. It fit the vibe and fit the space perfectly, so we splurged on that as well for $303. If you guys would like the same table, you can find it over at wayfair.com. For our shelves we were able to build, the cost was about $25 for the wood. The few odds and ends like decor pieces, paint, stain, knobs, everything like that rounded up to about $250 as well, but again, be sure to use things you have around your All in all, for about $1,200 to $1,400, you're going to have the craft room of your dreams. I truly believe it, and you can definitely see where we may have invested money that you would do differently. So that is a very practical budget when you're building your very own craft studio, and you're definitely going to love it for years to come. You'll be able to invite friends and family over to craft up their own t-shirts, projects, whatever you need to make, you'll be able to do it in your very own craft space. Now, last but not least, let's go ahead and give you some really great organization tips for when you're setting up and organizing your craft space. Probably our number one tip for when you're setting up your craft room is keep similar things together. Whether that means keep your adhesive all in one drawer or keep all the different things that it takes to build your favorite frames, you need to have that organization in place so it's quickly and easily accessible to get crafting right away. Another one of our favorite ways to organize all of our drawers is to use plastic Tupperware as a replacement for drawer organizers. It's very affordable and you'll be able to keep everything contained and quickly accessible at all times in your craft room. You can even pick up those plastic organizers, put it on the craft table, and then when you're ready to clean up, quickly throw it right back in the drawer. If you really want to be practical, decorate with supplies you actually use. Not only is that going to help, store things really easily and have it accessible, but you'll also have a really crafty look to it when you're able to decorate with your favorite craft supplies. Be sure to shop your home before you head out to any home decor store. One of our favorite things we were able to do from shopping our own home was take a utensil holder and actually use it to organize our paintbrushes, weeding tools, and all kinds of different things in our craft space. Thank you guys so much for checking out this amazing farmhouse craft room transformation. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you got inspired by seeing this craft room transformation, go ahead and post your own over in the member-only Facebook group for Makers Gonna Learn. If you're not already a member and in that group, be sure to check out our membership down below. If you are a Cricut advocate that loves using their machine, someone that is a brand new Cricketer, or someone that has been Cricketing for years, there is something in the membership for you, from the thousands of cut files, fonts, training videos, and so much more. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye, my friends.